Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Niha's Lab Notes. In this video, we are going to see how to download datasets to Google Colab using Kaggle API. So let's get started. So this is Kaggle interface. To get a Kaggle API, just go here, choose settings here. Then you can see here create a new token. You click here to download the API. I've already do this, so the second step is to put the JSON file in your drive. Then we need to connect Google Drive with Google Colab with this code here. As you see, it's a common step when working with Google Colab, allowing you to access files stored in your Google Drive directly from your Colab notebook. So let's execute it to see what are going to happen. We need to connect, of course, to choose the email address. Just click to continue. And you can see it's done. You can go here and see your drive, all the content. And you can see here the Kaggle, my file, my JSON file. So now we need to create a folder named with Kaggle. Creating this directory is often a necessary step when setting up the Kaggle API. Kaggle typically expects certain configuration files such as kaggle.json to be located within this directory for authentication and API users. Then here we need to change the path. So this command copies a file named kaggle1.json from your Google Drive into the Kaggle directory in your home directory, renaming it to kaggle.json. And this code here, this command here, is often used to ensure that sensitive information like API keys stored in kaggle.json is not accessible by anyone other than the user. Now for the third step is to choose a dataset, okay, and how to get the API of this dataset. So I've already choose a dataset. It's named with breakkeys, as you see. To get the API, just click here and choose copy API command and come back to Colab and put it here. As you see here, here's my API. Execute it, and you can see downloading breakkeys here. It will take a few seconds or just 1 minute. So now you can see it was successfully downloaded. You can click here and check. It's a .zip, so we need to unzip the breakkeys, our data sets. To do this, just use this command to unzip our zip folder. It will not take too much time. Now we can also check the structure of our data set by using pandas here to read the file with read CSV here. And to do this, we just need to put fold info.head to see the head of our data set. It means just the five first lines, as you see here. So we have full colon, magnificence colon, group colon, find name colon, and label colon.